Hey gorgeous, welcome back to another lovely vlog. My name is Khatazamb. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I love starting vlogs in the bathroom. I just find that it's very relaxing for me. I feel like the bathroom is very cozy, very private, and I just feel energized. I just finished taking my bath and I just wanted to start this vlog here and do some skincare and chat with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're not, I hope that this video lifts your spirit. I'm just going to show you all the products that I use. I actually haven't really changed all that much since the last time we probably discussed my skincare. So today I washed with the exfoliator and then the cleanser as well. After this I should be using a serum, which I'm out of. I need to probably get one. It clicks when I do go out. And then if I had a serum, I'd follow up with this Hydro Boost water gel thing. These products have been so good to me, you guys. I'm really hesitant on changing them. I'll probably change them again in winter, yeah. And then I'll follow up with an eye cream. Sometimes when I wake up, my eyes look very puffy, and I find that it makes like a 0.1% difference. And then I swapped out my old sunscreen for this new sunscreen. The old sunscreen, I don't know if it was old, but it was just burning my skin, so I got a new one. Sunscreen is actually very expensive, you guys, so I just decided to get a small one because it really lasts for such a long time. I primarily use it on my face, and then that's about it. That's my skincare, you guys. Very simple. I haven't wore earrings in 2 days because I can't find where they are. I don't know where my earrings are. We just came back from walking the dog because there's load shedding at the moment, and it was quite nice. Today was Ollie's day 2 of walking around the block, and he did quite well. And right now I want to just fold and reorganize my wardrobe. This is the study guest room. I just decided to use this closet because I have a lot of clothes, and the other closet in our main bedroom just doesn't have enough space. So that's what I'm currently doing at the moment. I washed my laundry yesterday and it got dry, so I just want to like reset it right now. I'm just gonna play like a quick montage for you guys to see, and then after that I'll go to Clicks to buy tissues. We're out of tissues. And then I'll probably cook after that because today I want to cook early. I don't want to cook late because yesterday I cooked quite late and I forgot to make sauce for chicken schnitzel that we had, and today I want to like cook a really nice long chicken stew that will need enough time. So I want to like give myself enough time to do all that, and then also edit videos because I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. One thing I am enjoying lately is cooking. I find that I am really pushing the limits of what I can do in the kitchen lately. I'm very intentional and I'm very open-minded to learning new things, especially when it comes to using different spices, because spices can really transform your food. And I'm also really experimenting with using different ingredients. Sometimes I make complex meals that use a lot of ingredients, and sometimes I make really delicious meals that only use a limited amount of ingredients. I also love cooking because every time I give my husband food and he compliments me, it really just motivates me to just push the limits of what I can do in the kitchen. And I think I really love it when my husband enjoys my food. I just feel like it's such a huge confident boost. I don't know if you guys feel like that, if you guys have got people that you love, that you cook for. If you do and they enjoy your food, please comment down below and engage with me if this motivates you. The first thing that I like to do before I cook is just to prepare so that I can get like my head in the game. What I'm doing here is just peeling and chopping all of my ingredients that I'll be using. This just helps reduce my anxiety when I start cooking, and it just helps mitigate the fact that I might burn certain foods if I'm not like readily prepared. Another way that I prepared, because today I am cooking chicken stew and samp, is that I soaked my samp in like really hot water earlier on, so that at least it can just soak up and cook fast, which ended up being very, very useful. So here are all like my different veggies that I use. I start off with like adding a little bit of oil so that it can just heat up, and then I start off with like adding the onion and I saute it until it's translucent, and then I add like my different spices, which I love. Here I added a lot of spices. In retrospect, I'm actually thinking that maybe I should have cooked with like half a tablespoon of each spice instead of like 1 full tablespoon. And then I also added my chicken so that it can brown. I don't know what the browning does, but I think it's a good thing. Honestly, I just need to learn maybe the science of certain things so that I'm not like just following mostly recipes and then I don't know what is it exactly and why is it exactly they do it like that. I think maybe I can just learn that in my spare time. I used two cubes today. I used oxtail cube, and the reason that I used that one is because it kind of gives my chicken like a very dark looking my gravy a dark looking color, instead of just using like the chicken stock, because the chicken stock is very light in color. And then I put all my different veggies, and while it's still like cooking, I like to just wash the dishes. These are the extra ingredients that I'm using for the samp: chicken cube, butter, and aromat for seasoning. And then to make it creamy, I have cremora and milk and cream of mushroom soup and some herbs. Usually I use cream, but I've got so much cremora and this is what I have right now, so yeah. Guys, Audie's barking at my food. I guess it smells great.
Talking to ya, but I'm spinning round in circles, oh, again and again. It's not cutting through to ya, babe. It feels like you would rather go get drunk with your friends. So tell me, what do I have to do to get your attention? Oh honey, what am I supposed to do? Cause if it isn't obvious that I need us, cause lately lost is all trust. Love, I need you to listen to me. So girl, just shut your mouth tonight. Cause I've been trying to tell you, baby, again. I hate these clothes I'm wearing, how I'm feeling, babe, the way you're talking to him. Thought that he was a friend. So tell me, what do I have to do to get your attention?
Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm doing this 10-minute workout and I'm struggling. Yo, I haven't exercised in a really long time and I'm so unfit. I'm on literally like 4 minutes and I'm so tired, I'm out of breath. But I'm gonna continue. I'm going to continue.
I hate these clothes I'm wearing, how I'm feeling, babe, the way you're talking to him. Thought that he was a friend. So tell me, what do I have to do to get your attention? Oh baby, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause if it isn't obvious, then I need us, 'cause lately lust is all the trust.
I just finished exercising. I feel so good and I really feel motivated to exercise tomorrow because I feel a little bit unfit. I took a little break, enjoyed some lychees. I love lychees. They're so good. I'm even thinking of googling to check how to grow a lychee tree because they're so good. Right now I want to do some weeding in our garden. I haven't weeded in a while because it's been raining, and because it is raining there are probably a lot of weeds. Just a little garden update if that's your thing. Our tomatoes, all of them, they've died because the weather conditions lately have been so harsh. It's been raining a lot and I don't think the tomatoes like it when it rains. The lettuce is out of season now. We're just waiting to get the seeds when it flowers, and we started to grow new morogo because of the seeds that have just like fallen on the ground. And then I also got squash, which I've planted not so long ago, and it's doing so well. And the birds love broccoli, guys. They're literally eating our broccoli. Ollie, stop it. So that's just like a little update. I'll give you guys a little tour. Right now I just want to do the reading and listen to a podcast. Joe Rogan, to be specific. I like listening to his podcast. They're actually pretty chilled.